Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to unlock selection in Microsoft Word. I'm currently not facing that issue right now, but if you are facing that issue, it is very easy to solve. First of all you have to do is open your File Explorer. Then you have to click on the low disk C or C drive from your File Explorer. Click on it. From here you have to select the program files, and then you have to click on Microsoft Office. You will see Office 16 folder. You have to click on it. On this page, finally you will see a file called OSPPREARM. You have to double click or open that file as an administrator. Once the file has been opened, you will see your command prompt will automatically open and do some tasks for you. Once you see Microsoft Office REARM successful, all you have to do is close your command prompt and then try to open Microsoft Word once again. Once your Microsoft Office is open once again, then you have successfully unlocked selection in Microsoft Word. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe.